Hello everyone, video today about the Swiss Spirit 2022 limited edition. So here is the item number. So we have Cadet this year, so it's not Alox but Celidor. So we just have 12,000 knives for this edition. First thing, they changed the inlay with this cardboard, the same that we have for the Alox of this year, for example. But the past years we had this foam material, which was better, I think. So I'm a bit disappointed about that. I don't know why they changed this, maybe. So we have 84 millimeters for the length, 14 millimeters for thickness. It weighs 48 grams and has 11 functions. So we have the blade, the main blade. Then you have a nail file. Can opener, little flathead screwdriver. Bottle opener, little larger flat screwdriver, and wire bender, stripper. Keyring, of course, tweezers, and toothpick. So it's a nice one, I would say. So here we have Edelweiss, I think, in Geneva. It's the Kappelbrücke in Lucerne. Here we have the Spalentor, the observatory. So this is a church in Zurich. And this is the Bundeshaus, so in Bern. And also it's in 3D, so you can feel it. So you can sense it with your finger. I think it's a nice one. For this year. Just a reminder with the last years. So it started in 2019 with the EvoWood 10. So from Wenger knives. So it was walnut wood. Then we had the Explorer in 2020. So it was a beautiful one too. Maybe my favorite, I would say. Then we had wood again, very detailed. In 2021. And then, of course, this year. This is the past years. I would say maybe this one is my favorite. So we kind of have a pattern here. Wood, Celidor, maybe. We'll have a wood in 2023. We'll see that. Yeah. So that's it. So next video should be about the Swiss tool MXBS. So that's it for the Swiss Spirit 2022. Hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions, etc., comments, tell me in the comment section what you think about it. And take care, and see you for the next video. Bye bye.